Welcome! In front of me I have OPPO Watch X2 and I'm gonna show you how to soft reset this watch. Basically restart. First we need to press and hold the lower button and keep holding it until the menu appears on the screen. Actually, let me skip this and press and hold the lower button. And once the menu appears on the screen, you should see the restart option. Tap on it and the watch will reboot. And let's wait until it's done rebooting. Okay, and once the watch is done rebooting, you will see the watch face, and that's how you soft reset this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.